This video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the browser notifications and misleading pop-ups that come from the website naturaldownload.com. naturaldownload.com. Some people may suddenly notice these pop-ups to attack their Google Chrome browser or some other browsers. I've made the research of this website, naturaldownload.com, on Alexa site ranking, and you can now clearly see that it attacks the US and some other countries. Now, the purpose of these pop-ups is to force you into downloading and installing some potentially unwanted software. Initially, you may be told that you need to install some decent software, but when you install it, you are actually installing some other software that may be malicious. For instance, some browser hijacker, some unwanted extension that works as adware, or some other malware. So please be very careful. Do not trust these fake alerts. They are also presented as some browser updates or software updates, or using some other illegal methods. They are promoting themselves as some important update. But you should not interact with these fake alerts. In case any unwanted software was installed, you should carefully check the control panel of your system and uninstall any programs that might be suspicious here. So if you find something you don't remember installing based on your own decision, uninstall it in a regular manner. Also, consider checking the list of your browser extensions by going to the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions, and now disable and delete any third-party extensions. To make sure that your system is free of any other hidden threats, I strongly advise that you scan your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com, download it using this green button, install the program, and begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.